Hello, Saladmaster lovers! This is your chef, I'm Veneth, and I'm going to give you a virtual tour at our Veneth Saladmaster dealership here in the Philippines. Welcome! So here in our lobby, welcome to our lobby. We are going to log in and there's a temperature scanner, plus we can we have the hygienic alcohol for you when you enter. So when you enter, we are going to wear mask and face shield. This is our lobby and our receptionist is Miss Corina. She'll be taking care of you if you have any inquiries. This is our reception area, receiving area. So by the way, Veneth Saladmaster is 42 years in the business, the Saladmaster world. And I want to show you here in the office. Here are the achievements of Veneth Saladmaster for their world-class performance in the Saladmaster business. One of the perks of being a life changer is having a free incentive for a travel. And here are some of the local and international travel. And here is the story of Veneth Saladmaster, where Tita Beth Garcia and Tito Steven Garcia started. They started changing lives since 1975. Oh, sorry, it's 1979. Okay, so over here, I'm gonna give you a tour. This is our office showroom. Welcome, Saladmaster lovers! And here is our showroom. Let me take you to a tour to our different Saladmaster healthy cooking wares. And here is where the production for our virtual culinary. Our production for our virtual meetings and culinary. There you go, and let me take you to the office so that you will know that we are going to take care of every customer's needs. And to assure all of your needs, we are going to Veneth Saladmaster Delivery Department. Here is where we present our orders. And here's Miss Nice. She's the one who's practicing it. And Miss April or Miss Maha Salvador. You can see her every virtual culinary every Saturday. Yeah, yeah, at Zoom. Thank you, Faith. And for the collections and credit and collections department, Sir G. Paul and Sir Gilbert. So that's all, and I hope that you have enjoyed having a virtual tour with me and make you experience how Veneth Saladmaster provide a world-class service. So thank you very much, everyone. See you next time. Bye.